Good day, sir. Good day, everyone. I'm Rena Glenn M. Romando, and we are Group 13, Lesson 14. So my topic is Social Reality of Crime by Richard Queeny, 1970. Embrace a conflict model of crime who integrated his belief about power, society, and criminality into social reality of crime. Criminal definition or law represent the interests of those who hold the power in society. So, pasabot ni Richard Queeny ani ang iyang perspective sa social reality of crime kay ang crime daw na shape siya tungod sa conflict between different classes, the poor of the rich, the powerless, and the people they have power. So, for example, the law against robbery and theft are intended for the poor only because it protects the property of those who in financial power or those who are wealthy. So, pasabutan niya example na pag mga ang kawatan daw kay murag nangawat ang apektado lang ani ba kay katong gikawatan lang katong naay kaya wala sila nagkuan sa kawatan jud ang nag-focus sila sa murag ginatagaan nila protection ang katong nakawatan lang dili ang katong nangawat pod murag na siya kuan ba kanang deviance sa duha ka classes kay mo pag nag-focus lang sila sa katong wealthy nga katong kawatan the laws against robbery and theft are intended for the poor only because it protects the property of those who in financial power or those who are wealthy. So, mo to siya. Ginaprotektahan lang ang katong nga naapektado. Katong wealthy. Dili itong nawat. Dila na lagi tagano action. Ano? Second topic, Left Realism Theory, 1984, by John Leah and Jacques Young, 1942 to 2013. What is to be done about law and orders? Street criminals prey on the poor, those making the poor doubly abused. So, pasabutan niyo yung doubly abused kanang for example sa bangketa or sa palengke ikaw isa ka tindera ka gikawatan ka sa imong palibot nga mga kawatan nga mga parehas sa rin mo class parehas sa rin mo na hinabuhi po parehas ni mo poor so most na kasabot ni poor doubly abuse so murag first the capitalism system and then by the members of their own class. So mura ang pasabot tong kuan ng ito poor doubly abused kay poor people suffer twice. So, pasabot, parehas mo poor, nag-suffer mo pareho. Kay, same classes mo. Mo na siya pasabot yung gingon. Ang gingon niyang street criminals prey on the poor, thus making the poor doubly abused. Mo na siya pasabot. So, John Leah and Jacques Young, 1942-2013, argued that crime victims in all classes need and deserve protection. So, di daw dato ka, pobre ka, kay dato ka, ikaw lang need ang protection. Dili daw ina daw. Dapat pantay-pantay. Dapat they deserve protection. Both dili mapapur man ka or rich. Crime happens when a person is being deprived economically, plus the governing body in the community, like barangay chairman, does not know how to render solution to problems, like rampant stealing in his barangay. So, pasabot ani deprived economically katong mga tao nga kanang lack of jobs, kanang walay ay nga pobre, mo na siya, mo nang og magita po daw ang crime pag ang tao kay ang ilang kuan ba kanang barangay chairman kay kanang dili ka ba lumuhat og solusyon god sa tay dagan rampat ang stealing diri ang area nya, dili niya tagaan og solusyon god, murag wala siya kanang action kumbaga. If the thief succeeds in his first stealing, then there's a big possibility that he keep repeating his criminal conduct. So, mo nang pag dili masolusyonan ng isa ka problem nga dito nga lugar kay daghan og stealing dito tapos murag makaisip ang isa ka criminal ba, ay okay ra man siguro kay wala man kugid ako. So, dako ang possibility nga pagkadako niya or pagkadugay ana nga mahimo siya siyang kriminal o makumit pa siya nga mas dako nga crime di lang sa pag-steal. And that's all my part of the report. Thank you.
So I'm the second reporter, sir, and this is my topic. Conservative ideologies assume that the ideal society is one in which authority is unquestioned, the hierarchy of wisdom and virtue is accepted by all as based on recognizing natural inequalities. So, dagan na gato, sir, ang perfectong lipunan is ang pagbigay galang o ginagalang dahil nakakatulong ito para sa kapayapaan at katatagan ng ating lipunan, sir. So, next is liberalism. Assumes that the ideal of society is one in which there is equality of opportunity and a general consensus to accept differences and rewards as the outcomes of fair competition. So, dira sa tinutukoy is ang perfectong lipunan kung saan ang individual ay may pagkakataon na magtagumpay, mag-ambag sa lipunan at mag-ambag sa pag-unlad ng komunidad. Muna liberalism.
Radicalism is a perspective that challenges traditional views of crime and justice. It does not view crime as an individual problem, but rather as an consequences of systematic social justice, such as poverty, discrimination, and inequality. It criticizes the justice system as an instrumental of social control that serve as the interest of the powerful and does not truly seek justice for all. Radical criminology believes that the social changes and not just the punishments of criminal is the real solution to the problem problem of the crime. Is advocate for reformation and justice system, improving social condition and providing equal rights for all. So kaning radicalism kay dili daw ginabuse diri na sa social justice na isa ka individual kay kanang kuan siya kanang mahimo siya kriminal ay kanang magdili sa kriminal ba na mahimo siya kriminal tungod ka po niya sa sistema sa kalibutan, like pobre siya tapos wala siya trabaho, wala siya makaon, so mo siya mabuhat siya mahimo siya crime tapos dili daw ginaingon diri na dili daw ginasik sa radical criminology na dili ka ginasik rin na ng punishment of criminal, like dili daw gina-view na kailangan sa criminal ginakuan nyo dag punishment kay tungod kay nabuhat nila ni kay tungod sa kanang kulang sila sa paningahanlan mo siyang radicalism. Tapos ang right radicalism kay right wing is radical in criminology refers to the extremist views that stems from conversation ideological ideological regarding crime and justice. It recognizes the importance of the authority and serve punishment as the primary solution to crime, often with the opposition to alternate approach such as rehabilitation or restorative justice. Is often accompanied by prejudice against those it's considered threats to society, which can result discrimination in human rights violation. So kaning right radicalism gina-pursue nila na ang usa ka criminal kay kailangan ikulong kay tungod sila kay mga threats daw sa society. Tapos dili kanang solusyon daw ang radicalism, kaya ang solusyon daw ni kay i-rehabilitate daw sila and para mausab ang ilang ugali. Tapos ang left radicalism kay or left wing kay mo siyang perspective that challenges the foundation of traditional criminology. It is the criticalize that justice system as instrumental of social control that serve the interests of the powerful and exacerbate social inequalities rather than focusing solely on the individual's criminal is look of roots of crime in social structures such as poverty, discrimination, and inequality. It's believed that the real solution to crime is not just punishment but social change to eliminate the roots of injustice. So kani sa left radicalism, so ginapangita ring ugat nganong nabuhat na tong sala mo to ang kuan murag po ganina sa radicalism. So ginapangita rin sa left radicalism na pangita lang ang ugat nganong nabuhat na tong krimen, like pobre sila, kasi tuwing mo na pobre, wala trabaho, wala makaon, mga mo kriminal. So like mahimo sila discrimination sa atong society. So di tanan ginatuhan diri na di daw tanan solusyon daw sa sala kay punishment. So kailangan gapon pantay daw ang mga tao. So kinahanglan siya kita ang ugat nganong nabuhat na tong sala, man siyang left radicalism.